What's up everyone, welcome back to my video. This is part 2 of my journey. Can I learn 3D modeling and animation before GTA 6 drops? And today we are shaping our very first donut. I will be following Blender Guru's tutorial step by step, but I'm not just copying. I'm actually pausing, watching, understanding these steps, then recreating it myself, so it's more like learning with receipts. So in this video, I'm shaping a 3D donut and tweaking the settings to move away from that perfect looking circle with a hole in the middle. The goal is to make it look more organic and natural, more donutty, you understand? Okay, now you might notice the video pauses or glitches at some point. That's not really a glitch, just me putting my pen down hold so I can watch what Guru is doing before I try it out myself. Okay, here's where we are so far. Right now my focus is shaping it to make it look more realistic. The reed donuts are not, reed donuts are not perfectly smooth or symmetrical. They have those shapes and those imperfections that give them the donutty look. So I'm following the steps while also adding my own adjustments. I'm pretty happy with how this turns out so far, but I'll do a little more to improve the shapes. This should cover the shaping for now. I'll keep things short in this video and jump straight into the main part of the project on my next video. Thank you for keeping up with me on this video. See you in the next one. Peace. And don't forget to like and subscribe.